Hello and welcome to Avantech Software's ScanStation Tech Sessions. This is a how-to video on creating a job which involves document splitting. In order to work on document splitting, I need to log in as admin and then either create a new job for the task or edit an existing job. So I go to Jobs Manager, choose whether it's add or edit of a job. I then go down to the document splitting option, which is down the left-hand side. Now, you don't always need to split a document. A lot of the time your jobs are scanning one job at a time, so don't split is the default. Now, one of the most common ways of detecting a new document is by looking at metadata in the document. Obviously, this has to be defined before. And you can then see whether the metadata contains some text, is equal to some value, is empty or is changed, and every time it changes you can define that it's starting or ending a document. I could also choose to look for something inside the document which is not metadata, such as a QR code, a barcode, or a data matrix, which is like a 2D barcode. In fact, if there is no QR code or barcode, you can actually create, using the splitting page generator, a barcode placeholder of your own. Here all you need to do is create this by typing some text, delivery note splitter is what I'm using as my example, and specifying that you'd like to generate your own barcode. And this can then be placed between documents before you scan. If you want to, you can include readable text so people know what each splitter page is to be used for. And to additionally help them further, you can type a description or notes, which could also be generated on the page before you print it. Now, this can be printed directly, emailed off to somebody else for them to print, or saved as a PDF on your computer and then printed as necessary when you need this. Some documents are standard in length, 2 pages at a time, 3 pages at a time. If that's the case, you can just choose the length of the document from here and it'll split every 3 pages. As I said before, you can either start or end a document based upon the conditions you change. You can also choose that you'd like to remove the page from the document. That would be if you've used the barcode splitter page. You can discard blank pages after the split. This would be used where, for example, you have double-sided scanning and the second page is always blank. And you can also choose to automatically save all of the documents at the end of the job. Those are all the document splitting options that are available. Thanks for listening.